Understanding, weather permitting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood: weather permitting. This phrase is used often in various contexts, and understanding it can help you communicate more effectively in English. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Weather permitting is a phrase used to indicate that a certain event or activity is dependent on the weather conditions being favorable. It means that the plans will proceed only if the weather is good and will not cause any interruptions or cancellations. This phrase is a conditional statement that highlights the uncertainty of outdoor activities due to weather changes. Using weather permitting in a sentence is straightforward. You typically place it at the beginning or the end of a sentence to indicate that the success of the plan depends on the weather. Here are a few examples. We will have our picnic tomorrow, weather permitting. Weather permitting, our flight will take off on time. The concert is scheduled for 7 p.m. outside, weather permitting. These examples show how the phrase can modify various activities, emphasizing that these plans are tentative and dependent on good weather conditions. Weather permitting is commonly used in contexts involving outdoor activities or events. This includes sports events, outdoor concerts, picnics, flights, and any other plans that require clear skies or at least no severe weather conditions. It's a useful phrase for making plans while acknowledging the unpredictability of the weather. While weather permitting is a widely understood phrase, there are other ways to express the same idea. You can use phrases like, if the weather allows, assuming the weather cooperates, conditional on the weather being good. These alternatives convey the same conditional nature of plans based on weather conditions but offer variety in expression. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, weather permitting. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your ability to communicate nuanced ideas in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English learning content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.